y'all, good morning. So I just got done washing my hair. Today I am going to try to do my first quick weave today. I never did this, attempted, or anything. So I've been watching videos for the last week. And so I am going to try and do this, y'all. Y'all come along and join me as I try to do this style, and let's see how this style is going to come out. Here we go, y'all. Here we go. I did the little wig cap or protective shield cap. I did that part, so I hope I did that right. So that's as far as I done got so far. So let's keep it moving and start putting the tracks on now. I almost forgot to tell y'all, this is the hair that I'm using since it's my first time. I bought just a little $30 hair. So this is the hair that I'm using. I think it's by Organique. And so I already washed it. You know, anything that I put in my head, I got to wash it before using it. So I almost forgot, but I came back to let you guys know this is the type of hair that I'll be using for the first time. See how it turned out, and then I'll move on up. So here's where I am. I'm still looking at my video on my phone, step by step, on trying to do this. So, whew, let's see. Let's continue. I just got to cut my leave out from the stocking, and I'm finished gluing it in. So this is the back. I'm trying not to raise up all the way because I got on Daisy Dukes, and that's just not my style. So this how long it is. Oh my God, it's too long. So I'm about to have my daughter cut it to about right here because that's too long for me. It's pretty, but it's just too long for my style. So I'm going to have my daughter cut it up to about right here. And then I'm going to finish styling it. But I just want to show you guys where I was. I finally finished the hairstyle, and well, I haven't finished styling because I'm waiting on my daughter to get here so that I can cut some more of the hair because it's still a little bit too long. And this was my first quick weave that I have ever put in my head. I have never had weave, not a quick weave or anything in my hair. I have never even had a perm or a jerry curl, none of that stuff in my hair. That's how old fashioned I am. But I wanted to try something different, and I'm glad that I went with the budget friendly hair, because if I made a mistake and I don't spend $200 on some hair, oh my God, I would have just died, because I am the frugal queen, So this is the rim that the hairstyle is going to go in. I didn't have none of those fancy curling irons, the one curl or that other one crimp, whatever. I didn't have none of that, so I just used my old school curling iron and curled it a bit in the front where the leave out was. And so this is the back of the hair. I told y'all I didn't want to get up because I got on Daisy Dukes, so I didn't want to get up. I don't think that's appropriate for my age. So yeah, so once I finish cutting it and styling it, I'll come back.